Have you ever used decorators with Python before? Let's say we have a function that prints hello world, like this one. We can create a new function like this. Let's call it myDecorator. And then it will take a function as a parameter. Then we're going to create a function that wraps the original function to modify its behavior. And we're going to call it wrapper, like this. And then we'll just print a message. So let's say before the function runs, and then we're going to run the function like this, and then we're going to print another message, and then here we're going to say after the function runs, right? And then what we're going to do is just return the wrapper itself to replace the original function. And what we're going to finally do is add the decorator on the hello world function right above it, like this. So my decorator. And let's verify everything works by running the code. And there you go, you can see the output here is as expected. Subscribe for more.